Good morning. My topic is diversity of bush frogs, dancing frogs, and night frogs in Western Ghats. Mainly, we discuss about Pseudophylatus amboli. Commonly called the amboli bush frog, is a rare and curious subfrog endemic to the Western Ghats of India. It was discovered by Dr. Biju and Dr. Boswhite in 2019. Pseudophylatus is found in the Amboli and Amba region of the Western Ghats in Maharashtra and in the Khas Rock. Pseudophylatus is a small frog. Its body length from snout to vent is 34 mm in male and 37.5 mm in female. Male will have a large and transparent vocal sac during breeding season. It amplifies the croaking sound, which serves as a sexual call to attract the female. The petal pads at the fingertips are much enlarged. Tympanum is dark brown. The dorsal surface of the body is uniformly blackish brown and the throat is lemon yellowish and marbled with minute black spots. Pseudophylatus is a curious frog in that its development is direct without larval stage. Pseudophylatus is now a critically endangered amphibian. It lives in extremely disturbed areas close to evergreen forest patches. The major threat to it is the fragmentation and loss of habitat due to the expanding urbanization and increasing tourism development. Conserving it in protected habitats to save it from extinction demands top priority and urgent measures. These are Pseudophylatus amboli. Some other new discoveries. Dr. Biju and his research associates have discovered more than 100 species of rare and unknown frogs from the Western Ghats, Sri Lanka, global biodiversity hotspot region. Also, they have formally identified and described nearly 50 new species, 7 new genera and 2 new families. During the period between 2005 and 2008, they could successfully carry out extensive combing survey over a 1,600 km long area between Mahendragiri in Kanyakumari district and Tapati in Gujarat. During this operation, they discovered 12 new species of frogs and rediscovered the Travancore bush frog, which was thought to have gone extinct some 100 years ago. During the period between 2018 and 2014, the research team led by Dr. Biju discovered 7 new species of golden-backed frog, one from Sri Lanka and other from Western Ghats. They include Hylarna serendipity, Hylarna indica, Hylarna caesari, Hylarna srini, Hylarna magna, Hylarna doni, and Hylarna arbis. Of this, Hylarna serendipity is found in Sri Lanka, Hylarna indica in Karnataka, Hylarna caesari in Maharashtra, and the others in Kerala. The most notable among the new species of frogs discovered from the Western Ghats by Dr. Biju and his team are the purple frog Nasica batrachus sahentrensis, the Indian canopy frog Rachis nerostogna, the smallest Indian frog Nitibatrachus minimus, and the bush frog Phylatus amboli. The new amphibian families created by Dr. Biju's team are Nasica batrachidae and Cichlidae. The former consists of a single species, namely the purple frog Nasica batrachus sahentrensis. Cichlidae is a family of limbless and burrowing caecilians. 3 species of Cichlidae have already been discovered from Meghalaya. Out of this, only one has been identified and described. It is Cichlia fulleri. The others have yet to be identified. Both Nasica batrachidae and Cichlidae are nearly 140 million years old. The closest relatives of Nasica batrachus now live in Seychelles, some 3,000 km across the Indian Ocean, and those the Cichlidae live in Africa nearly 7,000 km away The creation of Cichlidea raises the number of caecilian families from 9 to 10. The discovery of Nasica batragus and cichlids from India is geologically significant in that it provides some support to Alfred Wegener's theory of plate tectonics. According to this theory, some 240 million years ago, the whole world was a single landmass called Pangaea. Nearly 180 million years ago, Pangaea got split up into Laurasia and Gondwana. According to Wegener, the present day India, Africa, and South America were parts of Gondwana. The presence of genetically close species of animals in India and Africa probably indicates that these two countries were once part of one and the same landmass. Recently, a team of biodiversity investigators led by Dr. Anil Zaccharia has been able to discover 10 new species of frogs from the hill ranges of the southern Western Ghats. 4 species were from the Thiruvananthapuram, 2 from Idukki, 1 from Pathanamthitta, 1 from Ooty, and 1 from Naduvattam Nilgiris. 6 species of these frogs are bush frog, 1 is a canopy frog, and others are associated with the bamboo reeds. 9 species belong to the genus Rheocus and 1 to Polypedids. At present, the genus Rheocus is restricted to the Western Ghats only with 30 non-species. Polypedids has only 4 non-species in the Western Ghats. There are 10 newly discovered frogs. Frogs all over the world are facing high risk of extinction due to habitat destruction, climate change, and pollution. The new discoveries combined by Dr. Biju have revealed that a huge wealth of biodiversity remains hidden in the Western Ghats. The studies of Dr. Biju and his associates have also revealed that in India, nearly 200 species of amphibians have gone extinct since 1918, and nearly 30% of the remaining ones are on the verge of extinction, mainly due to the habitat destruction. These are the images of species of golden-backed frog. Thank you.